Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am doing this warm burgundy brown eyeshadow look today. Yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I do want to say before I get into this video too much that I do have a giveaway going on. I posted it the 26th and it is now the 29th. So this is going to go on for a month, so just make sure you saw my last video and enter in. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to go in with this Milani eyeshadow primer. The next thing I'm going to go in with is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just to give a little bit more coverage. Then I'm going to use my new Flower Beauty sponge just to to smooth it over. Then I'm going to go in with my Burt's Bees facial cleansing towelettes and just clean up a little bit. Alright, after you have a nice smooth base, I'm going to go in with a eyeshadow brush and go into my Tarte Confidence in Creamy Powder Foundation, and I'm just going to put that on the brow bone. Then after that I'm going to go in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm using the color in Universal. It's this peachy matte looking color. And then I'm going in with the same Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going in with this brown burgundy matte color, and it's called In the Zone. It's this color right here. And I'm just going to pack it on the outside part. After that, I'm going to go in with my large fluffy brush, which is actually a detailed highlighter brush, but I'm using it as a blending brush. Alright, after that I'm going to go in with my Kicks eyeliner, and I'm going to do a wing liner. Alright, after that I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the color Midnight Cowboy. And I'm just going to put it right there on the first half of what would be my crease. Since I have hooded eyes, I put it actually above my real crease, as you can tell, so you could be able to see it when my eyes are actually open. And then I'm just going to outline the eyeliner all the way across like that. So you basically go by that peachier universal color and kind of see where you carved it out from before, and just go by that. Kind of start from the inside, then mark your outside, and then just fill it in a little bit. I give my time 30 seconds with the fan to dry before I do the next step. Alright, after that I'm going in with my Kicks Darling False Lash Mascara, and I'm just going to coat my top and bottom lashes before putting on my falsies. After that I'm going to give it a few, a minute just to dry, that way I can flake off where I messed up. Right, after that I'm going in with my Wish lashes, the very intense ones. I will have everything that I'm using in this video linked down below, just in case you are wondering and you want to check it out for yourself. And I'm cutting them down a little bit to fit my eye shape, and I'm going in with the Kiss Lash Strip Adhesive. Don't recommend this. Try the Duo or the Ardell Lash Glue. Don't try this one. It's not good. I'm going to go do the rest of my face and then come back with you, but I will be putting my Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the color Flexitarian on the inner corner of my eye. after I put on all my makeup. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this warm brown burgundy eyeshadow look today. And yeah, don't forget about that giveaway. It was my last video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!